Hello, welcome to India Edu tutorials once again. In our earlier classes, we have discussed about arithmetic progression. Today onwards, we would be discussing about geometric progression. Geometric progression is that series where common ratios between two successive terms is equal. For example, if we are having a series called 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. This is called as geometric progression because here ratio between two terms is same. That is ratio of first and second is 2. Then ratio between 2 and 4 is again 2. Ratio between 4 and 8 is 2. Similarly, ratio between 8 and 16 is also 2. So this type of series where ratio is same, this is known as geometric progression. There are various formulas to calculate terms, means and sum of geometric progression. So to calculate any nth term which is represented by Tn, as we have already seen in our arithmetic progression that nth term is represented by Tn. Similarly in geometric progression, nth term is also represented by Tn. Formula to calculate Tn in GP is a into r to the power n minus 1. Here a represents first term of GP, r is the common ratio and n is number of terms or nth term that we are going to find out. If you need to calculate any mean, then formula to calculate this is under root a into b, where a is the first term and b is the second term or another term between which you need to find out the mean. For example, if you need to find out the mean between 1 and 2, then here a will be 1 and value of b will be 2. If you need to find out mean between 1 and 8, then in this case your a will equal to be 1 and your b will be equal to 8. Third point, inserting means. If you need to insert means between any two terms, that is if you need to insert means between 1 and 2, then you can use this formula where r is the mean which you are inserting, which is equal to b divided by a to the power 1 divided by n plus 1. Here b is the second term and a is the first term. If you need to calculate sum of n terms, there can be two conditions. Either the common ratio between terms can be greater than 1 or the ratio can be less than 1. If the ratio between terms is greater than 1, then formula to calculate sum is a into r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. And if r is less than 1, then formula to calculate sum is equal to a into 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. Now let's understand this with some examples. The example is find out the 10th term and sum of 5 terms of following series. The series is 1, 2 by 3, 4 by 9. Now first of all, we need to check out what kind of series is this, whether it is an AP or GP or this is HP. So to find out whether this is AP, GP or HP, so as we know that we are discussing here GP, we will find out whether this series is a GP or not. To find out GP, it should be that the common ratio between terms should be same. To find out common ratio, divide successive terms by previous term. That is, divide 2 by 3 by 1, because here 2 by 3 is successive term and 1 is the previous term, which gives us 2 by 3 as answer. Similarly, divide 4 by 9 by 2 by 3. Cancel it and you get 2 by 3. As common ratio is same between the terms, this proves that this is a GP. Now we need to find out the 10th term, that is T10. The formula to find out 10th term is a into r to the power n minus 1. Remember that these formulas are given here just for your reference. These formulas will not be available to you in your exams, so you need to memorize them. Now, formula to calculate 10th term is a into r to the power n minus 1. Value of a, which is first term, is 1 over here. Value of r, we just calculated, is 2 divided by 3 to the power n minus 1. N is 10 over here, that is 10 minus 1. which gives us 2 divided by 3 to the power 9. 2 to the power 9 is equal to 512 and 3 to the power 9 is 19683. Thus, 10th term of this GP is 512 divided by 19683. Now let's find out sum of first 5 terms. Now we need to find out sum of first 5 terms. Here, as r is less than 1, so we will use second formula, which is a into 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. Value of a is 1 over here into 1 minus r is 2 by 3 to the power 5 divided by 1 minus 2 by 3. So this is 1 minus 2 divided by 3 to the power 5 divided by, we will take LCM over here, which gives us 3 minus 2 divided by 3. Taking this 3 to the numerator gives us 3 into 1 minus 2 divided by 3 to the power 5 upon 1, because 3 minus 2 is 1, which gives us 3 into 1 minus 2 divided by 3 to the power 5, which is equal to 3 into 211 upon 243. Now 3 into 81 is equal to 243, which gives us 211 divided by 81 as the answer. Let's have one more example. Next example is, in a GP, third term is 24 and sixth term is 192. Find first term of the GP. Now, formula to calculate nth term in a GP is represented by Tn is equal to a into r to the power n minus 1, and we have given T3, which is equal to a into r to the power 3 minus 1, which will make a into r to the power 2, which is equal to 24. Similarly, T6, that is sixth term, is equal to a into r to the power 6 minus 1, which is a into r to the power 5, equal to 192. We need to find out first term, that is, we need to find out a. This can be done by dividing sixth term by third term. So, dividing T6 by T3, which gives us a into r to the power 5 divided by ar square, cancel it, which will give r cube, which is equal to 192 divided by 24. 12, this will give us 9, 6, 12 into 1 is 12 and 12 into 8 is 96. Value of r cube is 8, so value of r is equal to 2 over here. Now we need to find out first term, that is a. Now putting the value of r in any of the equation, we will get value of a. Let's suppose we put the value of r in the first equation, which is ar square equals to 24. A into square of 2 gives us 24. That is a equals to 24 divided by 2 square equals to 24 divided by 4. It gives us 6 as the answer. So value of a, or say first term, is 6 over here. For more tutorials, you can visit indiaedu.com.